It's a celebration. It is time to drop that confetti. So you know what? We're about to party it up. Get crazy. Have some fun with me. I'm giving you permission to have a little bit of fun with me. Because we are celebrating 100 subscribers today, baby. 100 subscribers is a feat unlike any other. But we have done it. We have done it. I think we're partying it up now. Wait till we get to 200 subscribers and the party just keeps rolling on because YouTube, the good folks over at YouTube who have been, they have really been very accommodating to me here. They have laid out the red carpet for me, if you will. And this is another example. They have sent me the first ever, it's the first ever, guys, in YouTube history, drum roll please, the foil play button sent to yours truly from the good folks over at YouTube. And you see right there, it says the game debate. Get a good look. We'll get the close-up on it. This is the foil, the first ever foil play button. You see the foil is beautiful. And the foil crystals. These are foil crystals. So we're going to put this up. And that is for our viewing pleasure.